Ever wondered how to make a delicious and healthy shrimp dish using a rice cooker? Well, today we're delving into a recipe that brings the flavors of Spain right to your kitchen. A healthy rice cooker garlic shrimp with chorizo. Imagine savoring juicy jumbo shrimps, smoky chorizo, and aromatic long-grain rice, all prepared in a humble rice cooker. This dish is inspired by Spanish garlic shrimp, and it gets a flavor boost from chorizo and paprika, with red peppers and a squeeze of lemon to round things off. First, we start by whisking together 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of sherry, a teaspoon of paprika, 6 cloves of minced garlic, half a teaspoon of salt, and a few grinds of black pepper in a medium bowl. Fold in a pound of peeled and deveined jumbo shrimp until well combined and set aside. Next, place 6 ounces of fully cooked chorizo, with casings removed and chopped, into a 6-quart rice cooker. Layer the finely chopped red pepper and thinly sliced onion on top of the chorizo. This is followed by 2 cups of long grain rice, a pinch of crushed red pepper flakes, half a teaspoon of salt, and a few more grinds of black pepper. Pour in 3 cups of water, then place the shrimp on top, making sure all the garlicky oil from the bowl gets into the cooker. Cover the rice cooker and cook according to the manufacturer's instructions. This should take roughly 30 to 35 minutes. If the rice cooker hasn't turned off after 30 minutes, remove the shrimp and continue cooking until the cycle is complete. Finally, use tongs to remove the shrimp to a plate. Fold 1 cup of finely chopped fresh flat leaf parsley and the juice of half a lemon into the rice mixture, making sure to mix up the ingredients from the bottom of the pot until everything is well combined. To serve, spoon the rice into bowls, top with the shrimp, sprinkle with some parsley, and serve with a squeeze of lemon if desired. And there you have it, a delicious and healthy shrimp dish with chorizo, all cooked in a rice cooker. This recipe showcases the versatility of the rice cooker and the vibrant flavors of Spanish cuisine. So why not give this a try and bring a taste of Spain to your dinner table tonight? Enjoy!